Hello and welcome to Mary Makes Studio. Today I'm bringing you an album made with collection by 49 and Market. The collection is called Moonlit Garden, and this is their big picture album kit. I left this blank so that it's flat for you to open up and you don't have to have things falling out of it with pockets and things like that. There's a label here for you to write what trip it was, the dates of the photos, anything like that. And then I just did a little layering collage here on the front to give you an idea of what the theme of the album is going to look like. This album is the outside is just over 8 3/8 inch wide when closed and 8 1/2 inches tall. There are 12 pages and there's room for 42 photos. I've also included a pocket here on the front page, or a front cover, and a pocket here on the back cover. And there's another little label you can write something on. So let's take a look at the pictures inside. If you notice, I have written down the measurements of the photo openings, and I also have these little arrows that I hope you can see. What that means is that I have not glued this top portion here. Let me see if I can find something really quick to stick in there to give you an example. Okay, here we go. This is an ATC card I made not too long ago. But yeah, you can stick it in there. This one goes from the same direction. I tried to do that on some pages, but with the ephemera, it just didn't work out for everything. This one is a side entry, so you've got a little arrow down here. This one is another top entry, which is a little complicated. I am not going to lie. If it's easier, you can just cut your photo to 3 1/2 by 2 1/2 and stick it in here because it can fit. I left this unglued so that the photo would fit. It's going to be like that on every page. These you're going to put in from the top down. This goes from the bottom up. This one goes this way. Oh, I did forget to read. I don't know if you can read these things. It says Lifetime, This Is Our Life. And this one says Glimpse in Time and Moments. And it's got the butterfly and the flowers and the news book page print. This one has another butterfly and leaves. It says Time Captured. And I love this little chicken wire detail down here. It's actually paper chicken wire. And it's throughout the book. This one is Delight in Life, and your little thing down here says Delight. This one says Enjoy Life, Time to Enjoy. Now there is plenty of room on each page around the pictures so that you can journal about what these pictures are, who's in them, and special memories that you want to commemorate with this book. I'm going to try to do a better job of keeping this in frame. This one says Sweet Moment and Treasured. This one you can't really read, but it is 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. These are going to be for small pictures. You're going to have to cut your pictures down. This one is Memories and Love This Memory. This one says Moments to be Remembered, and the little strip here says Remember. This one says Photographs, and the big label is Captured Photographs. This one says Good Times. This one says Best Ever. And back here you've got some little Viewmaster frames that are paper, which is a fun detail. This one says Treasured and Treasured Memories. So this one is ready to go. All you need to do is put your pictures in and write down what the pictures are about. This will be listed on my Etsy page, or my Etsy store, which is Mary Makes NC. Or I'm sorry, it's Mary Makes Studio NC for North Carolina. I hope you'll check it out. Bye.